Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to cancel flight and get refund. Suddenly something comes up and you want to cancel your flight and your flight is available not refundable. But if you are booked the flight ticket morning 10 o'clock and you want cancel the ticket same day before 4 o'clock, so you can get refundable amount. So how much amount you are refundable and what is the process, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Okay, look at this is website. I just already log in my username password. My flight is Copenhagen to Luxembourg 9th and 10th May return flight, and if I click here cancel, so look at this, I have some of the time, like today morning I booked the flight exactly today 1:33 p.m. so 4 hours ago, means right now I have some of the times like a 5 hours more or less. So we have 10 hours and then you can cancel the flight. I'm paying here total amount 1902 Danish krona. So airline fee is a zero, air ticket processing fees they are taking from my side like a 298, and I am receiving 1604 Danish krona. Take here penalty as a 298 Danish krona, and you can cancel the flight within a 10 hours and receive some of the amount. After that you are receiving zero money. The cycle is completed. It's very simple. You just simply select and make sure the credit card is the same, and I say cancel the booking, and look at this, you are receiving refund amount within a 4 to 7 days. Total repayment, I am receiving this amount in my account. It's easy, and some of the websites are providing such kind of good facilities if your date is missing. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.